Welcome to Garden Amaze. Hope you all are doing well. Pandemic or due to some travel restriction, we are unable to go outside the house and we end up spending more time at home.
Because many of them are working from home. These are few plants which I am going to share which will purify the indoor air for you and also will keep you busy with some activity. Adding plants to the indoor and outdoor can be the great therapy. Working with plants can help you to reduce the stress level at work. Plant not only enhance the beauty of your house but it also gives many health benefits. Pollution which is there indoor mostly because of paint or any spray which we use are mostly carbon monoxide, benzene or formaldehyde. Before I show you all the plants, I request you to please subscribe and help Garden Amaze to grow. Let's have a quick look of all these 6 plants. Number 1 is spider plant. Spider plant is a good choice to keep it in the office, living room and also in bedroom. It is the most easy to grow plant and more effective in cleaning all the harmful indoor chemicals from the air. Where you will place it in the house? You have to keep it in the low light but a brighter area. You can water thrice a week. It likes moist soil. If the soil is too wet, then please avoid putting water. You can wait for one more day and then you can put water. Second in my list is ZZ plant. ZZ plant is one of the popular indoor plant. This plant is also known for absorbing the indoor pollution. You need to keep a check on leaves. You have to keep it clean. You can simply spray some water on regular basis. This will protect you from any insects attack or any pest. Now where you will place this beautiful plant? It need low light and avoid direct sunlight. Indoor plants need really less water. So please water only once a week. This is one of my favorite plant in all indoor plants. Jade plant. Third plant which I am going to talk about, jade plant. This is also air purifying plant but it is considered to be a lucky plant in the house. Where to place it? You can place this plant in a direct sunlight. It is good to keep it in direct sunlight at least for 4 to 3 hours. Watering this plant. You can water this plant once a week but make sure the soil is dry 1 or 2 inch deep. Next is snake plant. Snake plant has many varieties. Don't be scared of the snake name. It doesn't attract snakes. It is named snake because of its texture. This has a texture of snake. It has many varieties like short, small and different textures. See this. This is one short one. This beautiful snake plant is capable of removing the toxic air pollution. This plant prefers direct sunlight. My advice is to choose the brightest spot of the house to keep this plant. It can grow in the shady area as well. Syngonium plant. Syngonium plant is an excellent plant to purify the air and it has many varieties. It has different beautiful kinds of leaves. You can place this plant in any bright area. It doesn't need direct sunlight but be careful, don't keep it in a dark spot. You can water twice a week. It needs little moist soil. If the soil is too dry, you can water accordingly. Pothos. Pothos are commonly known as money plant. These plants also has many varieties of leaves and very pretty plant. The best plant for the beginner. It absorbs air pollution from the air and grow without soil also. You can grow this plant only in water. It can grow anywhere. You can place this plant anywhere but remember if you keep it in little bright area and indirect sunlight, the leaves will become really healthy. You can water it twice a week. Hope you like this video, and this will definitely help you in indoor gardening. Happy gardening, and please subscribe and like my video. Thank you. Bye. Stay safe and stay healthy.